Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. First of all, I want to thank you guys so much for liking my eggplant in garlic sauce recipe so much that made me to create another garlic sauce recipe. So today I'm going to show you how to make this crispy vegetables in the oven, and it is going to be baked, not saute or not deep fried, so it's going to be healthy in a spicy garlic sauce. And if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. So let's get started with the recipe. Alright, so here are the vegetables I'm using to make this our crispy vegetable baked in the oven with garlic sauce. Here I have cubed bell peppers. I'm using red and green, and the cube size is like a little medium to large. Potatoes, I have cubed them as well, medium size. Some carrots, eggplant, and cauliflower. And cauliflower also I kept it to a bite-sized piece. Now you can take whatever vegetables you prefer or whatever you have on hand. Now I will add our bell peppers, potatoes, carrot, cauliflowers, and eggplants. We are going to season them first. So I'm going to add salt, a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder or granular garlic, and then a little bit of chili powder. And if you don't like spicy, you can omit this. You can also add black pepper or dry herbs like oregano or Italian seasoning. Whatever you like it, you just add here, whatever flavor you prefer. Or if you don't like anything, just add simple salt. But I'm just adding this three and gonna mix this together. It's all mixed. And now into this vegetable, I'm going to add oil, and this is optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of oil. Again, give it a toss. And now to make this vegetable crispy, I'm going to add cornstarch. So add tablespoon of cornstarch and then mix. Just go like this. Once you see they're mixed, add another tablespoon. All the sides are covered with cornstarch. So this is eggplant. We are ready to bake them. And here is my baking tray, and I'm using parchment paper for easy cleanup. And now I'm just gently gonna put all vegetables on the tray. And you don't want to overcrowd it. Before they go into the oven, I'm just going to spray a little olive oil on top, and this is optional. Very optional, but if you feel like, you can do it to get nice crisp on them. My both trays are ready to go into the oven. Mostly on this one, I have put all the bell peppers and cauliflowers and eggplants. On this one, mostly the potatoes and carrots, so I can put this on the bottom so it will cook faster. My oven is already preheated at 400°F. So we are going to bake them until they get nice and crispy for about 35 minutes. Alright, so vegetables out of the oven, and I'm going to let them cool down, but just want to show you they are crispy. And over here, nice and crispy. So I baked them at 400°F for 35 minutes and broil them for a minute. That's optional. To make our sauce, I will be using soy sauce, garlic, green chili chopped. This is optional. Some chopped scallions, chopped onion. This is also optional. If you can pick one, that's fine. I didn't have a lot of scallions, so I'm adding a little bit of chopped onion as well, and then chopped garlic. And I will be adding this chili garlic sauce, and some black pepper and salt and sugar. So first I have taken a little bit of oil here. Once it heats up, I will add garlic. With garlic, gonna add ginger, maybe half teaspoon. Green chili, optional again. If you don't like spicy, omit it. I'm adding very little because also adding spicy garlic sauce, so not adding much. And then some chopped onion and a little bit of white scallion. Going to saute this on a high flame, so we don't want to cook completely, just until they get a little soft. And we'll add this soy sauce in it, about 2 tablespoons, and also add this chili garlic sauce, half teaspoon. Into this, add water so this doesn't burn. I have added 1/4 cup of water, but you can adjust according to your preference and quantity you are making. Cook this on a medium to high flame. Into this bowl, about a teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm going to add water. Add cold water and give it a stir. Perfect. And add this mixture here. Add in a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, about half teaspoon, and see if you need to add more. Like, give it a stir. Once it's melted, you can give it a taste. I will add a little bit of salt. Be careful when you add salt because soy sauce and this garlic sauce has a lot of salt in it, so that's why always better to add salt at the end when you're using soy sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro and reserve a little bit for garnishing. And our sauce is ready. Time to add our vegetables in. And mix it all very well. So if your sauce getting thick, you can add a little bit of water. Alright, so vegetables is nicely mixed with the sauce, and as you can see, it's looking really delicious. Serve this into this plate. This is perfect way to eat these healthy vegetables with delicious flavors. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.